You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding how everyday products are made. Imagine a world filled with countless objects, from the simplest household items to the most complex machines. Ever wondered how these things come to life? How do ideas transform into the products we use every day? Take our phones and cars, for example. They all start as ideas. Designers sketch out blueprints, and manufacturers bring them to life. This used to be a slow, manual process, but technology has changed everything. Back in the day, designers would sketch on paper, and factory workers would build from these sketches. It was a slow process, full of potential for mistakes, requiring a lot of skill and precision. Enter computer-aided design, or CAD. This software has revolutionized everything. Designers can now create detailed digital models that can be easily modified, reducing errors and speeding up the entire process. CAD is a game-changer for industries. It makes design and manufacturing faster and more efficient. What used to take months can now be done in a fraction of the time, helping companies bring products to market quickly. In this video, we'll dive into how CAD has impacted design and manufacturing. We'll explore its history, benefits, and real-world applications. CAD has evolved from simple digital drawings to a powerful tool that integrates design, engineering, and manufacturing. We'll see how CAD has transformed the way we design and make products, boosting efficiency and innovation. We'll also look at the industries that have been revolutionized by CAD, like automotive, aerospace, consumer electronics, and healthcare. And we'll peek into the future of CAD, exploring how businesses can prepare for upcoming changes. As technology advances, CAD will continue to evolve, offering new capabilities and opportunities. CAD has transformed design and manufacturing, making these processes faster and more efficient. It has also democratized design, enabling more creativity and innovation. CAD isn't just a tool, it's a revolution. It has changed how we think about design and manufacturing, and will continue to shape the future of these industries. So, join us as we explore the world of CAD and its transformative power. We'll take you through its history, current state, and future potential, showing how CAD is changing the world, one design at a time. Everybody is looking for the next big thing in design. Imagine having a magic drawing board that lets you create and tweak designs right on your computer. That's what CAD software does. It's like a digital drawing board with superpowers. Believe it or not, CAD has been around since the 1950s. Back then, it was super expensive and only big companies and the government could afford it. But over the years, CAD has evolved dramatically. Now, computers are cheaper and more powerful, making CAD more accessible and user-friendly. Today, businesses of all sizes are leveraging the power of CAD. From architects designing skyscrapers to engineers crafting intricate machine parts, CAD is everywhere. It's a vital tool across countless industries, revolutionizing the way we design and build. I bet you didn't know how CAD, or computer-aided design, has transformed the world of design and engineering. This technology has revolutionized the way we create and build, making the impossible possible. Let's dive into the story of how CAD has become an indispensable tool in modern design and engineering. Our story begins with precision. Picture a designer working on a complex structure. With CAD, they can achieve amazing accuracy, ensuring every part fits perfectly. This level of detail was once a dream, but now it's a reality. Unlike the old days of hand-drawn designs, which were prone to errors, CAD software guarantees exact measurements. This means fewer mistakes and a more efficient design process. This precision is especially crucial in industries like aerospace and medical devices, where even the smallest error can have huge consequences. CAD helps ensure every detail is spot on. Next, let's talk about speed. Imagine needing to make changes to a design. In the past, this meant starting over. But with CAD, designers can quickly modify their models and test new ideas without missing a beat. This flexibility is a game changer. Designers can make adjustments on the fly, experiment with different concepts, and innovate like never before. This not only saves time, but also accelerates the journey from concept to prototype. With CAD, designers can quickly bring their ideas to life, test them, and refine them with ease. Finally, let's explore collaboration. In today's world, teams often work remotely and need tools that support seamless communication. CAD software allows multiple team members to work on the same project simultaneously, no matter where they are. Design files can be easily shared and accessed by everyone on the team, enabling real-time feedback and collaboration. This is vital for large projects that require input from various experts. This streamlined communication reduces errors and ensures everyone is on the same page. By using CAD, teams can work more cohesively and make informed decisions quickly. In summary, the advantages of CAD in design are clear: precision, speed, and collaboration. These benefits make CAD an essential tool for any modern design and engineering team. I bet you didn't know that every product you use, from your smartphone to your car, starts its life as a digital model. This is the magic of CAD, or computer-aided design. But CAD isn't just about creating cool designs. It's a game-changer in manufacturing, taking us from the drawing board to the production line seamlessly. Picture this: engineers and designers working side by side, tweaking and perfecting ideas in real time. Thanks to CAD, they can share their visions instantly, leading to groundbreaking products that meet the highest standards. Now let's dive into the heart of manufacturing. CAD data transforms into precise instructions for machines. Whether it's a CNC machine or a 3D printer, these instructions ensure every part is crafted with pinpoint accuracy. This seamless integration, known as CAD/CAM, makes the production process smoother and reduces errors. Manufacturers can simulate the entire workflow virtually, catching and fixing issues before they become costly mistakes. And here's where it gets even cooler. CAD allows for virtual prototypes. These digital models let engineers test and analyze designs without needing to build physical prototypes, saving both time and resources. Virtual prototypes are a game changer. They help identify and fix design flaws early on, saving time and costs. Engineers can run stress tests, thermal analyses, and other simulations to ensure the designs will perform perfectly in the real world. The result? Higher quality products, shorter production times, and greater efficiency. CAD gives manufacturers precise control over every step, ensuring top-notch results every time. In today's fast-paced world, CAD is essential. It enhances collaboration, improves accuracy, and streamlines production, making it a crucial tool for innovation and excellence in manufacturing. As we wrap up our journey through the world of CAD, let's take a moment to look ahead. The future of CAD is brimming with possibilities that will further revolutionize design and manufacturing. Imagine a world where CAD integrates seamlessly with artificial intelligence. AI-driven CAD tools could suggest design improvements, optimize manufacturing processes, and even predict market trends. This synergy will push the boundaries of creativity and efficiency like never before. Another exciting frontier is virtual and augmented reality. Picture designers and engineers walking through their creations in a fully immersive digital environment. They could interact with virtual prototypes as if they were real, making adjustments on the fly and seeing instant results. This level of interaction will make the design process more intuitive and collaborative. And let's not forget about the potential of cloud-based CAD. With the power of cloud computing, teams from all around the world can work on the same project simultaneously, breaking down geographical barriers and fostering global innovation. Real-time updates and collaboration will become the norm, speeding up the development cycle and bringing products to market faster. The future of CAD is not just about making things easier. It's about enabling us to create things we once thought impossible. From smart cities to sustainable products, CAD will play a crucial role in shaping our world for the better. So stay tuned and keep an eye on the horizon, because the next big breakthrough in design and manufacturing is just around the corner. This is the end of our video on CAD revolutionizing design and manufacturing. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.